Dark mode testing. Don't let UI disappear into the night. Definition. Dark mode testing is the process of verifying the application's visual appearance, text readability, and the visibility of all user interface elements when the device's display theme is switched to dark mode. Analogy: think of it like painting your entire room black. You need to ensure that essential elements like light switches, labels, and furniture remain clearly visible and distinguishable against the dark backdrop, preventing them from vanishing in the darkness. Real-time example. If a news application, when viewed in dark mode, displays dark gray text on a black background, the contrast would be insufficient, making headlines and article content difficult and uncomfortable to read. Real-time data usage. Toggle the dark mode setting within the device's system settings, on both Android and iOS. Carefully compare the color contrast between text and backgrounds, ensure that icons remain clearly visible, and assess the overall legibility of all textual content throughout the application. Utilize accessibility testing tools like the Accessibility Scanner on Android or the accessibility features within developer options to identify potential contrast issues. Real-time process. 1. Enable the dark mode setting on the test device. 2. Open the application and navigate through all its key screens, user flows, and individual elements. 3. Validate that there is sufficient color contrast between foreground and background elements, that images with transparent backgrounds are rendered correctly, and that icon colors are appropriate for the dark theme. Tips and tricks. Avoid using hard-coded color values for text and backgrounds in your application's design and development. Instead, rely on theme attributes that can adapt dynamically to light and dark modes. Implement adaptive theming principles, often found in design systems like Material Design, which provide guidelines for ensuring good contrast and visibility across different themes. Memory trick. DARK, design contrast. Ensure sufficient contrast. Auto themes, use adaptive theming. Readability of all text elements. Keep visibility consistent for all UI elements. Interview tip. When discussing dark mode testing, state, I meticulously validate the application's user interface in dark mode to prevent eye strain for users and ensure a visually consistent and polished experience across both light and dark themes.